So hi, day 12, bilateral knee replacement. I've been at home now for 2 or 3 days. I got out on Easter Sunday, which was day 10 of my post-op knee replacement. Come back to this lovely house. My wife has set it up fantastically. I've got the bed here that I can sleep in at night. I've got a table here that I can use during the day. Haven't been on the sofa. And I've got a toilet and various other things through in the kitchen there. Now, one of the biggest things I would say having a bilateral knee replacement is that you have no ability to carry anything whatsoever. I've had various different operations in the past where I've been on crutches and I was able to use my good leg to stabilise me while I was maybe carrying something with one crutch. But when you have the bilateral operation, you're very much reliant on these two crutches. So you have to have somebody here to look after you. I can't imagine doing all this on my own without that little bit of help. Now, part of the reason the living room has been set up like this is to do with the fact that I can't use my left leg. I've had this problem since the operation where my left quadricep isn't working properly, so it's given me a weakness on this side, and I've been working really hard to get those exercises done, and one of the biggest issues with that is I can't do stairs. So as much as I've got the shower and I've got everything else up the stairs, I just cannot go near the shower at the moment, so I'm having to do a strip wash in the bathroom, which is okay. So you see, I'm managing to get up fairly well now. I'm moving about, I've got the crutches, and while I'm on my feet when I'm moving, it's not too sore at all. But when I'm standing for any length of time, then it starts to get really achy. And they talk about having one good leg and one bad leg when you have one knee done. The problem with bilateral is that you don't have any good legs. That's not necessarily true. I would definitely say that my right leg at the moment is so much better than my left leg, partly because of that quadricep problem, but also I think just mobility and general being able to extend and less pain, I would say, all round. Although the right leg was the sorest pre-op, I think most definitely it's the best leg at the moment. So again, I think when they talk about your good leg and your bad leg, I think that's going to change as things go on. And the more I get up and mobilise, the different knees will probably start to take the strain on that. But most definitely the left leg is the sorest at the moment.